Hello from Slovenia again, and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. I like to play with paint if you don't know me. Fluid acrylics, and this is the painting from last week that I did with fluorescent colors and split cup acrylic pouring technique. And I like it, but for those who are new, maybe you will not understand quite well, but for others, I really like that part where I had my pearl white mixture, that the colors just blend in this white, and I like the vibrancy of this part, but I think that I kind of want to incorporate it a little differently, so I changed the size of my canvas from 12 to 12 to 12 by 16, and I will start with this pearl white part here, and I will travel down to have this kind of, fantasy landscape look. This is my plan for today. And what I did is I taped the sides, because sometimes I just think that I would love to stretch my whole thing through the most of the canvas, and then then allow paint to flow over the edges. This is my plan. I don't know how this will work, if it will work. And I will use my split cup with 6 chambers and of course fluorescent colors, as I told you. And I will pour some fluorescent blue. All my paints are mixed with pouring medium. I will put link to my detailed tutorials about that in the description box below. It's always, good to check description box, because you can find some things there that we can't tell you every time in our video. So I'm just going from blue to green and yellow and orange. And all my colors are neon colors. Fluorescent, neon. And I will pour pearl white on top to have this look that I was talking about. And violet. So my colors are in. And now I will pour some pearl white to begin with in all the chambers. Okay. So let's start pouring. This was a lot, but I like it. So I will just pour some of my pearl white here. And down here. Okay, and now I will first tilt, you know, in inside this kind of box, or how can I say, and then I will, and it will of course affect the movement a little bit, but don't care for now. Okay, and now I will take this off. The weight of the paint was here, so that's why I went to that corner first. Weird in a way, but I love it. I don't know if there was a lot of a difference with me putting tape around. Maybe I will see it when I will edit my video, but I don't know. So today it's Monday and you will watch this on Monday. I will show you the dried results on some other video, and tell me what you think about it. Thanks for being here. See you on the next one. Bye.